Oh, yes, what a day, what a day. I'm sporting the AirPods today because my big headphones I've left at work. That's 2 days in a run now. I don't know why I keep doing that. Don't leave my AirPods anywhere though. Whatever. But you can still hear me, which is good. It's not so windy today either, which makes life a little bit more bearable. And that big guy in the sky back there, is making it a very nice autumn's day for sure. And it is only 8:30 in the morning, something like that. Anyway, I just want to bring you a little bit of another talking head transformation gym video jobby, because I did one the other day and you guys told me the kind of things you want to see, the kind of things you want to hear, and whether it's inspirational or not for you guys out there on whatever fitness, whatever journey you're on. I highly support it, of course. So yeah, the little update is, so I'll give you a bit of the start to finish. I started at 104.8 kilograms, and while people out there might think that's not heavy, I'm 6'1". That's pretty chunky. I might insert some pictures because I've got a few, and you guys can make your mind up what you think. So if you see a picture on the screen, that's what I was, at 104.8 kilo. I had to make a change. Not for health reasons, obviously that is always a benefit. The larger you are, the more issues you're naturally going to have. That's just is what it is. So there was no confirmed health issues. I can't look at myself in a mirror. I still can't look at myself in a mirror. And there's a mirror just above our bathroom sink where I brush my teeth, right? And if I get in the shower first, I can't brush my teeth in front of the mirror because I can't look at myself, right? And that's been like that for years and years and years. Maybe it has affected my confidence just that little bit. In fact, yeah, I agree, it has. So I had to make a change. I wanted to make a change, and I knew I couldn't do it on my own. This isn't a selling video, by the way. I'm not selling anything. I'm just telling you my life experiences. You can either scroll away or, listen to a little bit of my story, but that's what it is, a little bit of my story. So I knew I couldn't do it on my own. And I've got a fantastic support network and friends and family. They know who they are. I'm not going to mention any names because I want them to know who they are, because they're all very special to me. So I've got people supporting me massively. I couldn't have done it on my own. Food was always a big problem for me. I just like eating, right? Who doesn't, eh? Get yourself a cheeky bag of sweets, get yourself comfy on the settee, especially when it's cold and rainy outside. That's just what you do, isn't it? It's just what we do. Anyway, food's always been my problem. So I spoke to the powers that be. This chap knows who he is as well. Absolute fucking whiz. And he's worked wonders with a diet, nutrition plan, everything to get me set up for the journey that not only did I want to take, the journey that I needed to take for my own well-being, my own lifestyle, and obviously to be around a lot longer for my wife and kids. Guys, if you're thinking it, I can guarantee you I was too, right? It's never at the forefront of your mind in your 20s because you're invincible, right? Yeah, going out clubbing, getting home at 5 in the morning, starting work at 6 o'clock in the morning, still hanging out your arse with the stamp still on your hand from the nightclub. I know, I've been there. When you get a bit older, guys, you think, fucking hell, that ain't the lifestyle for me. And, a 20-minute hangover in your 20s is now a 4-day ordeal in your 30s. And I think, shit. So anyway, by the by, massive support network, love it. Food was sorted out, had a plan. Got to get 10,000 steps in a day as well. Even on days where I really didn't want to do any more, because I'm a physical job. I'm a mechanic, if you didn't know the channel name. And it's a physical job. But it ain't everything you need, all right? It's not. It's good upper body. Yeah, it's a bit of standing on your feet for 10 hours of the day. It's not everything. So relying on work that obviously I've been doing for a long time now has kind of, my body got used to it. And the only way you're going to successfully lose weight, gain strength is push them boundaries, push them comfort zones, push them boundaries. And like I said, the support network around me means I've been able to do that. Currently, as it stands, as of this morning, I weigh 94.4 kilo. And my last target was 95, which is an absolute epic transformation. And I held a 10 kilo weight the other day, and I was told that's what you were carrying around extra. that's what you were carrying around extra every day. Every time I moved off the settee or to get to work, out of bed in the morning, 10 kilos extra was just being shuffled around. Might not seem a lot, guys. That's huge. That's absolutely massive. So, as it stands, 94.4. Living the life. I'm living the dream. I'm enjoying it, you know. It was a struggle to start with. Like I say, if any of you guys want to know how much of a struggle, or you want help with the struggle, please let me know. Because in the comments and stuff like that, I'm more than happy to share my experiences, more than happy to help you guys with some coping mechanisms that I used to get myself through the, what you could call withdrawals from sugar. Withdrawals from sugar, withdrawals from eating crap, and getting myself healing, getting myself better, because that's literally what I've done. So there's my story up to now, guys. Still going, still out doing my 10,000 steps, still pushing really, really hard, because now I've seen it, now I know what I can do, I can do more. And maybe you guys out there, if you're on a little journey of yourself, could do a little bit of inspiration, a little bit of like that, saying you can do it. I know it's hard, but you can. You can achieve whatever, whenever, however. It's mindset. That's all it is, mindset. So guys, you've been amazing. I know this is a little bit of a longer video. Let me know if you want to hear any more. Let me know if you want to certain things. And if you don't want to put it on public domain, just DM me. And we can have a little chat. And again, I'm not selling anything. I've got nothing to sell other than wisdom and experience. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one.